What if I told you there are thousands of machines flying around Earth right now, keeping the modern world connected, guiding your GPS, predicting the weather, and even helping scientists explore space? These machines are satellites, but how do they actually work? Let's find out. Hey everyone! Welcome back to this channel, where we explore the science and technology that shapes our lives. And today's topic is one of the coolest inventions of modern times: satellites. From the moment Sputnik 1 launched in 1957 to the incredible GPS satellites we use today, satellites have quietly become the backbone of our connected world. In this video, we'll break it all down: what satellites are, how they work, and why they're so important. By the end, you'll not only understand how these amazing machines operate, but also why they're essential for everything from weather forecasting to internet connectivity to global communication. So, if you're ready to journey into the world of satellites, hit that like button, subscribe to this channel, and let's get started. What are satellites? Let's start simple. What exactly is a satellite? In basic terms, a satellite is any object that orbits another object. For example, the moon is a natural satellite because it orbits Earth. But when we talk about satellites today, we're usually referring to artificial satellites, man-made machines launched into space to perform a variety of tasks. Sputnik 1, launched by the Soviet Union in 1957, was the first artificial satellite. It was a metal sphere with 4 antennas, and its only job was to send radio signals back to Earth. That historic moment kick-started the space age and opened the door to the incredible satellites we have today. Types of satellites. Satellites come in all shapes and sizes, and they're designed for specific purposes. Here are the main types of satellites you should know about. Communication satellites. These enable global communication. From satellite TV to internet services in remote areas. Weather satellites. These monitor the atmosphere to provide accurate weather forecasts and track storms. GPS satellites. Amazingly precise systems that help with navigation, whether you're driving, flying, or even hiking. Scientific satellites. Think of the Hubble Space Telescope, which has given us breathtaking views of the universe. Military satellites, used for intelligence gathering, surveillance, and secure communication. Each type of satellite plays a critical role in modern life, even if we don't always see them in action. Anatomy of a satellite. Now, let's take a closer look at the anatomy of a satellite. While satellites come in many shapes and sizes, most of them share a few common components. Solar panels. These generate power by converting sunlight into electricity. Antennas, used to send and receive signals. Propulsion system, helps the satellite adjust its position in orbit. Payload, the mission equipment, like cameras, sensors, or transponders that allows the satellite to perform its specific task. Onboard computers. These act as the satellite's brain, controlling its functions and processing data together. These components make satellites highly advanced machines capable of surviving in the harsh environment of space. How satellites are launched. 1. Getting satellites into space. Launching a satellite is no small feat. Rockets are used to carry satellites into space, providing the massive amounts of energy needed to overcome Earth's gravity. The satellite is usually enclosed in the rocket's payload fairing, which protects it during the journey. Once the rocket reaches the desired altitude, the satellite is deployed into its orbit. Modern rockets, like those from SpaceX, have even made satellite launches more cost-effective by reusing rocket stages to different types of orbits. Once in space, a satellite's orbit depends on its mission. There are 3 main types of orbits you should know about. Low Earth orbit (LEO). These orbits are close to Earth, making them ideal for Earth observation and communication. Think of satellites like the International Space Station, Which orbits in Leo? Medium Earth orbit, meow. GPS satellites are found here. Around 20,000 kilometers above Earth. Geostationary orbit Geo. Satellites in Geo stay in a fixed position above the equator, making them perfect for TV broadcasting and weather monitoring. Each orbit serves a unique purpose, ensuring satellites can perform their tasks efficiently. 3. Staying in orbit. The science of gravity and speed. So, how do satellites stay in orbit? It's all about balance. Earth's gravity pulls the satellite toward the planet, while its forward velocity keeps it moving in a curved path. This creates a continuous freefall around Earth, which we call an orbit. Think of it as a cosmic tug-of-war between gravity and speed. How satellites work. 1. Communication and signal transmission. At the heart of satellite functionality is communication. Satellites use antennas to send and receive signals in the form of radio waves or microwaves. These signals are relayed between the satellite, ground stations, and devices like smartphones, TVS, and GPS receivers. Think of a satellite as a giant mirror in space, reflecting signals between different points on Earth to solar power and energy management. Satellites rely on solar power to operate. Their solar panels capture sunlight and convert it into electricity, which powers all the onboard systems. Batteries are also included to store energy for when the satellite passes through Earth's shadow. 3. Data collection and processing. Satellites collect vast amounts of data, from images of Earth to precise timing signals for GPS. This data is processed on board or sent to ground stations for analysis, depending on the satellite's mission. Why satellites are important. 1. GPS and navigation. One of the most well-known uses of satellites is GPS. GPS satellites use a process called triangulation to pinpoint your location on Earth with incredible accuracy, whether you're driving to a new city or tracking a plane's flight path. GPS satellites make it possible to weather monitoring and disaster warning. Weather satellites play a critical role in forecasting and disaster management. They monitor Earth's atmosphere, track storms, and provide data that help save lives during natural disasters like hurricanes and floods. 3. Scientific discoveries. Scientific satellites have expanded our understanding of the universe. The Hubble Space Telescope, for example, has captured breathtaking images of galaxies, nebulae, and distant stars. These satellites are like our eyes in the cosmos. And there you have it, a complete breakdown of what satellites are, how they work, and why they're so important for life on Earth. Satellites have revolutionized communication, navigation, science, and so much more. They're the quiet heroes of our modern world. Now it's your turn. What's the most surprising thing you learned about satellites today? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive into space tech, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.